Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to find and remove a particular options of the context menu in Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, let me show you. So when I right click on my computer mouse, you can see this kind of options, right? So these are called a context menu options. So I want to remove some options. Say I want to remove this option named as 7-zip from my context menu list, right? So directly we can remove such options from our context menu in our Windows computer. So for this, what you need to do is just open any web browser, and in the Google search, just search for one application named as Easy Context Menu, and on the first list it will say its official website. Just click on it. Now you can see its official website. Just scroll down below. Now you can see your download option. Just click on download to download this software. So let me start downloading. So the file has been downloaded. So let me close the web browser. Now you can see it's a zip file. So just extract this file. So now you can see our extracted folder. Just open it. Now here you will see two files. One is mentioned as EC menu and one is mentioned as EC menu x64. So right now I'm using a 64-bit operating system, so you can use either the first or the second one, but if you're using a 32-bit operating system, then you need to select the first application. So I'll be using this 64-bit. So you can see this kind of user interface, right? So since it's a portable, so you don't need to install it, you can directly run it. So here you can see one option named as context menu cleaner, right? So just click on it. Now it will display all the third-party context menu options that is being added on your context menu list. So right now I want to remove, say I want to remove the 7-zip, right? So what I will do, I'll just select this 7-zip and I'll just click on delete. So let us see if it's gone or not. So let me click on refresh. So let me check it back. So you can see here still this present, so there is more 7-zip. So let me select this also and this too. So let me check if there is any more 7-zip options. So after that I will click on delete. Now click on refresh and let us check back whether this option is deleted or not. So finally we have deleted the option named as 7-zip from our context menu list. So this is how you can easily find and remove a particular options of the context menu in Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about this very tiny yet very useful software, then you should definitely try it out. And if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.